Hello, all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Prakashika. I'm starting a new playlist today, which is regarding the placement questions on programming languages like C, C++, and Python mainly. This playlist is mainly for college graduates to help them in their interviews. So, what is there in this playlist and who is it for? Whatever content is shared in this playlist, it is not very elementary. Like, I'll not be explaining how to write a C code, what are the general structure or Python, what is printf, what is scanf. I will not be dealing with those, what is class, what is object, because there are plenty of playlists and courses available on other platforms on the internet. I wanted to help from the placement point of view. Of course, I'll be explaining what is printf, but in a different way. Certain topics which are not taught on, say, on example on printf, which is neither available in any textbook, but placement questions are such like that in aptitude or in the face-to-face interview. So we expect you to know the general structure of C, C++ mainly, and I'll also try to include Python questions regarding placements. So any topic that I'll be explaining, it is on the assuming that you know some basic structure of that concept in the programming language, and take some relevant placement questions which could be asked either in the aptitude or in the face to face interview, and then we will be understanding. So who is it for? It is mainly for college graduates, freshers who are trying to attend an interview. It could be for a professional degree course or any degree course, whoever is interested in computer programming language and they know some sort of C, C++ programming structure. Teachers can also use the content in this playlist if they want to teach the extra mile rather than teaching just what is for loop, what is while loop in C, C++, or Python, whatever it is, and upgrade them. Experienced professionals also might this content might help for them also as a knowledge skill, but mainly preparing the content for freshers and also for teachers so that they can use these information which are not generally available in the textbook and helps college students mainly for placement point of view. So when I explain a topic, it is through placement questions. I'll be taking some coding snippets or small programs. I will run the program on Turbo C or online compiler or both. Why Turbo C? Turbo C is the basic software which many people consider as obsolete, but it is not coming with any intelligence. Like in the nowadays, if you take any online compiler also, if you put one braces, it will automatically create one more basis. Or if you take Microsoft Visual Studio, if you write F, it will automatically give you the hints for or any variable that you have declared. So Turbo C is very basic, and college students should learn C and then C++, where they learn OOPS concept and then data structure in C and C++, and then come to Python. And when they're learning C or C++, Turbo C is the best method tool that you can use. And always follow the structure of learning Python programming language. Don't start with Python, always learn from C. In C, you study the basic concepts. The same thing can be applied to C++. There you learn OOPS. After that, if you want, you can learn data structures in C or C++, depending upon your comfort. Then you can go to Python programming language. Many good compilers tools are available like Genie and all those. And nowadays, if you consider especially Bachelor of Engineering under VTU, C is not mandatory for everybody to study. It is your choice. But any engineer, irrespective of the department, has to study C is my high recommendation, and then go to C++ and then Python. Because Python is very easy, you have functions, but C, we expect that you already know. You know how we can manipulate bits and bytes with the hardware, all those. So C is very much important for electronic students also, not just for computer science students or any other programming knowledge. If you want to have, you better start from C. And the videos are short. This is the main highlight. I'll be taking just one question per video, one coding snippet, and I'll try to cover the topics related to that. And I'll try to keep it within 5 to 10 minutes. Also, I would like to express my gratitude to the teachers who taught me the content which I'm sharing on this. and also to my college who facilitated that training when I was doing my engineering. So we will meet in the next video. We will start with the actual sessions. Thank you.